Okay, today in your phonics word study lesson, we looked at one-syllable words that have long vowel patterns in them. So today you are going to make 10 words on your own, on your word grid, and you're going to use a beginning consonant from the left side of the screen, and you're going to put it together with an ending long vowel pattern from the right side of your screen. For example, if I take the word beginning THR from my left side of my screen, which says thr, and then I take the ONE ending over here that says own, because remember they're all long vowel patterns, and I put them together, I now have the word throne. Then I could continue, you're going to continue with several others. So if I take the consonant B for the beginning, which says buh, and I move it over, and then I take the OAT, which says oat, and I move it over, then I have the word boat. So you're going to continue and do this for all 10 words on your word grid.